What's going on, everybody? It's Nicky Bobby here, and today we're going to be replacing the windshield wiper blades on this 1993 Jeep Wrangler YJ. Now, this might be a 93 Jeep, but the design, the wiper design, is the same for any YJ model. So if you have a Wrangler in between 1986 and 1995, the method's going to be the exact same to pull these off and put new ones on. So this is a super simple job. Honestly, you can get it done in 5 or 10 minutes. Definitely something you can do yourself. Hardly even need any tools. So that being said, let's jump right into the video and get started. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is grab an Allen wrench, a small one, or something that you can use as a pin. And you're going to put it right through that hole. And what this is going to do is keep the windshield wiper blade off the windshield. So that's going to make things easier for you. Next, grab the biggest flathead screwdriver you can find and gently pry off the windshield wiper blade. And this one pops off pretty easy. So now we're going to do the other one, and same thing, just grab your pin or Allen wrench, whatever you're using, and keep that windshield wiper blade off the windshield. There's our screwdriver. We're going to gently pry this one off. And it's getting a little stuck towards the end here. I probably could have pulled it off by hand at that point. But I did want to mention, you can use a pair of pliers and gently wiggle it back and forth to get it off if you're having trouble. Whatever you do, do not twist it off. Just wiggle it back and forth. Alright, now that you have the old ones off, you can get the new ones and line them up. As you can see, I taped off where my old ones were originally. So once you get it lined up, just push them on, pull the pin out, and you're good to go. Oh, one last thing I do like to do is just take a rubber mallet and gently tap it on to make sure it fits nice and snug. Alright guys, check it out. We're almost there. There's just one last step, and that is to remove the tape. Like so. Gonna grab this other one. Like so. Just like that. So, there you go. We now have replaced our windshield wipers on the Jeep YJ. And like I said, it's that easy. It probably took me 5 minutes, maybe 10. And so it's super easy to do. Definitely something you could do yourself. And that's quite frankly what I love about these Jeeps, is they're just so simple and easy to work on. So that's it for this video, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.